This is the elevator, the parking elevator here at Loews Portofino Bay, Universal Orlando. Should come. Oh, here it is. Alright, let's get a cab view. Looks alright. It's decent. Let's go up to, I guess down to 1. Otis Series 2. I'm gonna get a cab view going down. This is nice. I want to say these are from 99 or 2000. Oh wow, it's actually underground. Wow, wasn't expecting that. There's an indicator out here. Up to 3. Here on 3. Hey, you know what? Let's take this for another ride. There's your interlock. Can't really see up the shaft. All right, up to 3. ADA phone. And we're gonna watch it go. There it goes. And that's gonna be it.